And welcome everybody to the Daily Space Weather. I'm your host Dan, aka Smash-O-Mash, and we're starting things out looking at sunspot 2954 and 2955. Here's a close-up, 304 angstroms. There's also one known as 2956 up here to the northeast of those two sunspots. We've seen fairly low solar activity here, a little bit of geomagnetic unrest in the forecast. We'll get to it momentarily. First, we'll show you the colorized magnetogram / 171 angstroms composite imagery from the SDO. Just spectacular. Coronal hole wind streams striking the Earth geospace. Make sure you watch our second Daily Space Weather video of the day, our Fields and Features segment. C-class flare happening from this relatively spotless region. That's sunspot 2957. And here's the most interesting region now, sunspot 2958. So this is a beta gamma class sunspot now. You can see it evolving, gaining complexity there in the 94 angstroms wavelength. One of the best wavelengths through which to view solar flares. Radio flux is at 97 solar flux units. Did you know a solar flux unit is equivalent to 10,000 joules? It's radio flux density. And there is the 1-year chart. To put it in context, this black line here is the radio flux. The red line down here is the sunspot number. They are proportional sets of data. Space Weather Enthusiast Dashboard expecting some geomagnetic unrest later today and early in the day tomorrow. You can see KP4 there, geomagnetic unrest conditions. Stay tuned for aurorae and so on. Make sure you follow us on Twitter. We regularly retweet auroral imagery. Next, looking at seismicity over the past 90 days to see an earthquake drought continuing. See this? This is what we call an earthquake drought. A drought and 7 magnitude earthquakes. Those end in 7+ magnitude earthquakes. Let's see what's been shaken over the past 24. The largest has been a 5.7 in Chile. So relatively calm in terms of global seismicity here. If there's anything we didn't mention, just let us know in the comments. That Chilean quake occurred at 1:15 Universal Time this morning. Again, it was a 5.7 magnitude. There were a series of other quakes there on the South American west coast. Fiji saw a very deep quake at over 600 kilometers depth. 4.6 was the magnitude of that. There was also a 5.5 at the Mid-Atlantic Ridge and a 5.3 to the northeast of Japan. Next, volcanoes. And we've shortened up the content a little bit here to reduce the length of the videos and increase the favorability of the algorithm. So Suminose-jima is erupting in an explosive fashion, producing a 9,000-foot ash plume. That's an uptick there at Suminose-jima for sure. Dakono now back on the list as it explodes, producing a 6,000-foot ash plume over the Isle of Halmahera. Kilauea showing up on the list again. And inflation at the summit has decreased to lower values. The lava lake has risen by about 9 meters. So perhaps some more effusion about to happen there. Great Sitkin volcano in the Aleutian Islands continues seismic activity at low levels. Popocatépetl exploding, producing a 19,000-foot ash plume over central Mexico. It's a flight level 190. Fuego exploding mildly, producing sporadic emissions of ash, fertilizing Guatemala. Talica in Nicaragua, no volcanic emissions observed. It could be cloudy. Don't assume Talica's not erupting. Nevado del Ruiz in Colombia exploding. Flight level, I'll say 230, between 21 and 23,000 foot plume of volcanic ash over Colombia from Nevado del Ruiz. And we're unable to detect whether or not Sabancaya is erupting. Please don't pole vault the caldera. Please do become a member of the Smash Team. If you enjoy the content and prefer to see it remain publicly visible and free for all to view, support us via smashomash.com/Smash Team. Thanks to our Smash Team members. especially gold and silver level. We've opened up all of our designs at the Redbubble shop. There are 27 designs. If you see something you like, make sure you snap it up, as the list is going to change by tomorrow, March 1st. So some of these designs will go away, possibly forever. There is also a sale going on. You can save 20% on anything on the Redbubble website. You can find links at the smashamash.com homepage as well as below this video. Use the promo code 20flash20, which ends tomorrow. Save 20% with the promo code 20flash20 at our Redbubble shop on all designs, which are now all available for a limited time. Also, make sure you follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/smashamash. Thanks to our new followers over there. Congratulations to you on realizing the channel exists. And also, don't forget to visit our homepage, if you haven't done so, at smashomash.com. And welcome to the Neo Renaissance. You can find links to this below the video, and links to other aspects of our web ring in the description and on the homepage. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I'm signing off from the Smash News Network, wishing that solar wind be at your back.